Welcome to our presentation. Tonight, we'll explore one of the simplest income opportunities designed for everyday people who desire to earn more income and have better health. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. When it comes to making money, do you keep your options open, or are you very close-minded? There are currently three core money pressures hitting most families today. Cost of living is outpacing income, lack of savings with no financial safety net, and debt plus income pressure creating the squeeze effect. When most people learn about this type of opportunity, they have a few questions. What is it? Will it solve my problems? Can I do it? Will it be worth my time? We will answer each question throughout tonight's session. Our income disclaimer is simple. I work hard, I don't know if you will work hard, so you might not earn any money. This is our medical disclaimer. Your health is your responsibility. This presentation provides educational content, not medical advice. Our products are not evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent diseases. Always consult your healthcare provider for medical guidance. Most people engage in network marketing daily without realizing it. We naturally share products and services we like and trust with people we know and care about, family, friends, coworkers. However, unlike formal network marketing, these everyday recommendations often go unpaid. We found out most people want three things in life: good health, more income, and time freedom. Tonight, you will learn how to have the things most people want, so you can start living the life you deserve to live. This is our social proof slide, showing individuals like you and me from all around the world who have taken advantage of this opportunity and are earning great incomes part-time. You can partner with us and follow a simple system, and someday have your banner posted on this slide. There are several business models to move products, goods, and services into the marketplace. Traditional retail, e-commerce, direct-to-consumer, affiliate marketing, direct sales, social selling, wholesale distribution, manufacturing, subscription, franchise, service-based, digital products, drop shipping, software as a service, and network marketing. Each offers unique opportunities and challenges. However, network marketing is the only business model where you can have a large income, part-time, improve your health, help a lot of people, and have fun doing it. So it just makes sense to say yes to this opportunity. Now, let me ask you a few questions before we proceed further. Consider the impact of aging on your life. Are you okay with continuing to have age take its toll on you? Are you okay with a job that tests your patience? Are you okay with working 45 years like previous generations? Are you okay with not having enough money to fund your retirement and investments? These questions challenge us to rethink our future and financial security. Now, if you are like most people, you are probably a little skeptical and want to leave this presentation, which is normal. You can relax, because we are not here to convince you. We are here to offer just one more option for your life. We are going to explore strategies to secure your future and achieve the financial freedom you desire. So stay on and hear the entire overview. You'll be glad you did. I promise. If you currently have only one source of primary income, think about this question tonight. Do you want to risk your financial future by having all of your income from one place? Having only one source of income is close to having no income, and that's risky. Our vision is to harness the power of plants for holistic wellness, promoting emotional, mental, and physical health globally. We aim to facilitate financial independence and personal growth. Our mission is to capture 1% of the $7.3 trillion health and wellness industry. Our motto: dream, fight, win. You must have a dream you're willing to fight for, and as long as you don't give up and quit, you will come out with the win. We have a simple and effective online income generating system. System means save you some time, energy, and money. Discover how this system can empower you to achieve financial independence and personal growth. Explore our extensive range of premium whole plant personal care and wellness products. Each product is crafted to enhance your well being using organic, non GMO, natural ingredients. Discover the benefits of integrating these high quality items into your daily routine and also sharing the products with the people you care about for a healthier lifestyle. The company provides you with your free online shopping store to share. When someone places an order on your website, the products are shipped directly to your customers, ensuring convenience and efficiency. This streamlined process eliminates the need for inventory management on your part. There is no need for you to purchase products and keep them in your garage for resale, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Commissions are paid in real time, ensuring immediate financial rewards. This system enhances cash flow and motivates performance by providing instant compensation. It's a modern approach that aligns with the fast-paced nature of today's economy. Most people are already inclined towards this opportunity because most people want to earn more income, making it easier to generate additional income. The groundwork is laid, and the potential for success is significant. Leverage this pre-existing interest to maximize your earnings efficiently. Unlike a traditional job, this opportunity rewards you by paying several ways: cashback, daily pay, weekly, and monthly pay. Explore various financial incentives: cashback up to 30%, customer sales bonus up to 30% plus overrides, and binary bonus ranging from 4% to 12% with overrides. Additional rewards include Star Matrix bonuses up to $575, lifestyle bonuses up to $260,000 annually, leaderboard bonuses from $100 to $1,000, and Power of 3 bonuses, all without caps or limits. Money would not be made without our premium, high-quality products. Most people are already pre-sold on the products due to their proven benefits and widespread popularity by closing the nutrient deficiency gap most people are experiencing. Additionally, most people want to be healthy and live long. This creates a strong foundation for engagement and sales, as customers are often familiar with the value these products offer. Additionally, the company sources each individual ingredient direct from suppliers, has each individual ingredient third-party tested for purity and quality before making any of our formulations, is our own manufacturer, so our products are not white label products, and the products are manufactured in our FDA-certified facility owned by the company in Cincinnati, Ohio. Consider the risks of relying solely on your boss for significant raises. Reflect on the potential consequences of not taking action now. Is it worth missing out on opportunities for financial growth and independence? Ask yourself this question: what will happen if I don't take action now? Your membership includes multiple earning opportunities, world-class products, and a global business platform. Enjoy personal online stores, lead capture pages, and email tools. Benefit from automated systems, comprehensive training, and a supportive community. The total value exceeds $60,000, featuring a simple duplication blueprint and million-dollar training. Now that you know what this is, how it will solve your problems, and is something most people can do and is worth your time, let us know if you are an A, B, or C. A, the information makes sense and you're ready to get started. B, you have questions but are ready to get started. Or C, you're not interested in the money but would like to use high-quality, premium products. So get back with the person that shared this video with you and let them know what you liked about the information and if you are an A, B, or C, so you can begin benefiting from this amazing membership program.